Hi friends, today we will paint a Buddha in acrylics. I am going to use a black canvas pad for this. If you don't have a black canvas, you can always use the black gesso on top of the white canvas, or you could also use the black acrylic paint. I am going to use two brushes for this. Both are filbert brush, one is a size 6 and another is a size 0 brush. If you are new to my channel, I am posting video tutorials every week, so please consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. Hi, this is Modula from Modula Creations. Let's get started. I start by doing an outline rough sketch of the Buddha. I use white chalk pencil for this. It's a very rough sketch and there will be many corrections to do as we go by. So this is just to note the outline of the Buddha. Then I slowly start with the background. I wanted a very muted background for this. So I add few circles. Once I finish off with the background, I start with the Buddha. I first finish his face. Finishing off with the eyes and then the mouth. Then I work on his body and finally work on his hair. If you like this video, please click the like button below. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.